Your AI is only as good as the information it has access to. In this video, I'll show you how to use Ask AI to create and attach a knowledge base in HighLevel. This is so that your AI can answer questions, book appointments, and support leads using your actual business content. For example, instead of manually building a knowledge base from scratch, you can have Ask AI generated from your website or your business profile and connect it directly to your AI agent. Let's take a look at how it works. Inside your HighLevel sub account, you can come up to Ask AI in the top right corner, or come over to the dedicated Ask AI section in the side menu. I can type as my prompt, create a knowledge base from our website and attach it to Conversation AI. Then when I click on enter, and in just a few seconds, it will start putting my knowledge base together. If it doesn't have a certain piece of information and needs something from you, then it will simply ask you down below. Like in this case, what is your website URL? I'll just paste it in here and then move on to the next question, like giving the knowledge base a name and then clicking on submit. It will then ask you to verify your information and then click on this button here. What's so great about this is that we're not only using Ask AI to create the knowledge base, but we're also asking it to connect that knowledge base to Conversation AI. If you have existing AI agents created, then it will show you a list of all the agents you have where you can choose from one of those agents, and again, it will automatically connect that knowledge base to that agent. If you do not have an agent already created, like in my example over here, it will tell you that no Conversation AI agents are found. In this case, you can take it one step further and ask AI to create a Conversation AI agent for you. Right at the bottom here, I'm just going to click on number 1 and it will start putting that agent together. And when it's complete, you'll have a knowledge base created with an AI agent also created, and then those two assets will be linked. You can double check this by coming over to AI agents on the left hand side, coming up to Conversation AI, then over to agent lists, and right there you'll see the one that was just created. And if we make our way over to bot training, you'll see that the HighLevel knowledge base that we created with Ask AI has been attached. And that's how you can use Ask AI to create and attach a knowledge base inside of HighLevel. If you want to learn more about this feature and others like it, head over to the Content Army YouTube playlist, the help docs, or the Did You Know blog. Links are down in the description. That's it for this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.